Hey guys, welcome to my channel, My Hobby House. Today I'm back with another wonderful DIY. It's a beautiful bottle art with Buddha, and to make some textures, we are gonna use some eggshells. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So come on, let's get into the video. Take a flat glass bottle like this. I'm using a glass marking pencil to draw a rounded rectangle. Now take a sponge and just dab the black paint all over the bottle, leaving the marked area. You can also use a brush if you don't have sponge. Next, give white paint in the marked space. Then mix some orange and white paint and give it as a top coat. Let it dry completely. Meanwhile, take a jute rope and cover the mouth and the neck of the bottle with it. Trim the extra strands using a scissors. I have given this Buddha picture in the description. You can download and take a printout of it. Now take a carbon paper and cut it to the same size of the Buddha. First, put the carbon paper next Buddha and secure it with the adhesive tape. Draw on top of the Buddha to make an impression on your bottle. Now you can start painting the Buddha. Give black paint for his body. Give yellow as a border for his dress. Give orange paint for his dress. Give light blue paint for the background designs. Always make sure you give the second coat of paint when the first coat is completely dried. Now touch up the background with the same color we used earlier. Let the painting part dry completely. Now take some washed, clean and dry eggshells. Paint your eggshells with metallic gold color. You can also use a spray paint if you want. Crush the eggs and make it into small pieces. Now apply Fevicol and stick the eggshell pieces one by one. This is a stone chain used for jewelry making. I'm gonna stick it on the outline. Paint the jute rope black and give metallic gold on the top part alone. Now your Buddha bottle art is all ready. Simple, isn't it? Let me know in the comments if you tried this beautiful bottle art. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful DIYs. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.